Hi, myself Veena. Before going to start my topic, I am going to ask you one question. That is, why people's participation in the management of forest is very important. Yes, we depend on the forest for our survival. From the air we breathe to the wood we use. It provided habitats for the various kind of diversity and livelihood for the humans. Even forests also offer watershed protection, prevent soil erosion, and controls climate change. Forest management is a complex and prone to conflicting agendas. Imagine if people aren't having the idea of this conserving natural resources, sustainable development, and management of forests and all. Think what would happen. While I was thinking about for the next generation, we will become a grandma and grandpa. At that time will come to show the practical dream for our grandchildren. Holding on bank with filled water and made it some holes, and we should tell them this was a rain. It falls from the highest distance and all. From them, for them, it feels amazing because they aren't experienced and they are not able to see the rain. It should not happen. No, so we have to aware about our environment. You already know the forests are the biodiversity hotspot, the place where you have most of wildlife. If the forests are destroyed, wildlife is destroyed. Forest is a source of raw materials. Most of projects were targeted to save the wildlife, like save rhino, save crocodiles, and all. But if we talk about the larger scale, the idea to conserve the forest with we have few good examples. As my friend told, Bishnoi's community in the western part of Rajasthan, Kejhari village, and now I am going to tell that one great interesting case study of Great Himalayas of National Park. Now, this is a reserved area with alpine meadows. There were nomadic shepherds going to graze the sheep in the area. Sheep graze the reason because of the sheep graze the reason you have height of the grass that is maintained. Now, once height is kept smaller, you would have new growth that would be seen. But because of the protection, the movement of shepherds were restricted. As the result, height of grass grew very much. So new growth couldn't be registered. Sometimes you also understood how human intervention adversely affects the protection also. This urbanization, deforestation, and decentralization, with these all, economic growth and all, management of forest is also very, very important. Next good example I could say is the Arabari forest area in the regions of West Bengal. In the southern western part of the state of West Bengal area. Now, here most of the sal trees were degraded. We had A.K. Banerjee as a forest officer at that time, that he believed because of militancy, because of Naxalites, this region was not growing. So only one way could revive is through local participation. So he promoted a local participation. He talked about the employment. Few are trying to protect the trees. He also focused on 25% of final harvest to be given to the local people. Giving them a fuel wood, fodder wood at a nominal fees for a payment was promoted. As a result, it was within a period of less than 10 years, it was this forest which was degraded forest revived, and it has the worth of more than 12.5 crores. That's how people participation can remarkably bring the significant difference in the system. Yes, people's participation in a management of forest is very important. As you know, sal trees sal trees are degraded first, and when with the people's participation, it has been worth of 12.5 crores. And now I'll tell about the sal trees. Sal trees are also known as Indian Daman sal. It bears a fruit. Those can be used as the Ayurvedic medicine purpose. And also, sal trees sticks are used to make a incense sticks. Sal seeds and fruits are source of lamp oil. Thank you. Save forest, save environment, save your life.